If you are struggling to grow on YouTube and you are wondering why some channels explode while yours stay stuck, then this video is for you. This method I'm about to show has helped many creators reach their first 1,000 subscribers much faster, because they stopped guessing and started working with content that people are already watching. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll show you the biggest mistakes that destroy this strategy and a bonus hack that can give your videos an even better chance of taking off. Let's get into it. Here is content that is already viral. One of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is creating videos nobody is searching for. So instead of trying to invent something completely new, smart creators look for content that is already getting millions of views. Go to YouTube and search for trending shots in your niche. Filter for shots and look for videos with massive engagement. Pay attention to the videos with lots of comments, likes and shares and under the last 1 year. Because YouTube has already proven that viewers love that topic. You are not trying to reinvent the wheel. You are simply finding what people are already interested in. And trust me, this one step alone can save you months or even years of frustration. But this next step is where most people get it wrong. You have to use step 2 is use the green screen feature. Once you find a viral video, click on the share button, select green screen. Now here is something important. Do not simply repost the video and do not just sit there watching. You need to add your own reaction, explanation, opinion or personality. That's what makes your content unique. You can agree with the creator, you can disagree, you can explain something they forgot to mention. You can even teach viewers something related to the topic. People don't just subscribe to videos, people subscribe to personalities and value. And that's exactly what we are trying to build. But wait, because step number 3 is what separates creators who get views from creators who get subscribers. Here is step number 3. Give people a reason to subscribe. Many people focus on views, but views alone don't build channels. Subscribers come when people believe they will get value from your future videos. So while reacting to the content, ask yourself, what can I add? What can I explain? What can I simplify? What can I teach? What can I make viewers? Can I make viewers laugh? Can I inspire them? Can I save them time? Every successful YouTuber or YouTube channel solves problem. And if you consistently help people, YouTube will eventually reward you. Now let's talk about optimization, because this is another area where creators leave a lot of views on the table. Step 4, optimize your content. Some creators use the same titles and hashtags for viral videos. While that can sometimes work, I prefer making the title even better. Instead of copying exactly, create a title that sparks curiosity. Make people feel they need to click. Use strong words, use numbers, use promises, and always remember your thumbnails and titles are your first impression. If nobody clicks, nobody watches. But here is something most people don't know. The real secret isn't one viral videos, it's consistency. So here is step 5. Keep posting. This is where most people quit. They upload 3 videos, maybe 5 videos, nothing happens, then they give up. But YouTube needs data. Sometimes your first videos get 100 views, the second get 20 views, the third get 500 views, and then suddenly one video explodes. I have seen creators stayed unnoticed for months, and then one single video changed everything. The channel that win are not always the most talented. They are usually the ones that stay consistent. And now for the bonus hack I promised earlier. Don't focus on making one perfect video. Focus on making many good videos, because every upload gives YouTube more information about your audience. Think of every video as another lottery ticket. The more quality videos you publish, the more chances you have to hit a winner. And here is the biggest mistake that causes this strategy to fail. People copy. They don't add value. They don't show personality. They don't educate. They don't entertain. And because of that, viewers have no reason to follow them. Remember this: copying creates competitors. Adding value creates fans. That's why the goal is never to steal content. The goal is to learn from what already works and create your own version. That's even better. And according to many creators, this approach has helped many to achieve their first 1,000 subscribers fast, because they stopped creating content in the dark and started following proven patterns. So if you are serious about growing on YouTube, start applying this strategy today, and who knows, your next video could be the one that changes everything. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and tell me how many subscribers you currently have. I'm rooting for you, for your success, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.